Give your English a facelift. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, "give it a facelift." Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English learning journey, understanding these expressions can add a natural flair to your conversation skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, "give it a facelift," is an idiom that draws a vivid picture in our minds. Originally, a facelift refers to a type of cosmetic surgery aimed at making the face appear younger. However, when we use this expression in everyday English, we're not talking about surgery. Instead, we mean making improvements or updates to something to make it more attractive or modern. This can apply to physical objects like buildings or cars, and abstract concepts like a company's image or a website's design. To grasp the essence of "give it a facelift," let's look at some examples. 1. Renovating a house. Imagine an old house looking a bit worn down. By repainting, updating the furniture, and fixing what's broken, you give it a facelift. You're making it look fresh and new without altering its essence. 2. Refreshing a brand. Companies often give their brand a facelift by redesigning their logo, updating their website, or changing their marketing strategy to appeal to a broader audience or keep up with current trends. 3. Revamping personal skills. This phrase can also apply to personal development. For example, updating your resume with new skills or changing your wardrobe to look more professional can be seen as giving yourself a facelift in a professional context. Using "give it a facelift" in conversation shows that you're familiar with nuanced English expressions. Here's how you can use it. In speaking, when discussing improvements or changes, you can say, "I think it's time we gave our project a facelift to attract more clients." In writing, this expression can add a creative touch to your writing. For example, the City Council announced plans to give the old park a facelift, adding new playground equipment and green spaces. Congratulations on learning about the phrase, "give it a facelift." We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also shown you the beauty of idiomatic expressions in English. Remember, practicing these phrases will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to give your English skills a facelift by learning more expressions like this one. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.